everyone. Let's make this famous TikTok pasta. First, I'm gonna cook my pasta. Then I'm gonna do the tomatoes and feta in the oven. Okay, first I'm gonna put my Greek feta. And these are kind of small, so I got a couple. Got my pasta cooking already. Now I washed my tomatoes. I'm gonna put my tomatoes all over. Double or nothing, I guess. Oh, this one's bad. Okay. Okay, so first we're gonna oregano. I like a lot of spices, so yeah. That's me. Basil. Okay. Garlic, roasted garlic and herb. And these gonna go in the oven for 400 degrees, half an hour. This one is lemon pepper that I always use with on my meals. Okay. Just a little bit of Montreal chicken spice. I mean, like I said, I like a lot of spices. A little bit of lemon juice. And a little bit of garlic salt. Oops, wrong one. Don't want too much salt. So yeah. And when it's gonna come out, I have fresh basil for the end. Now I'm just gonna slice some garlic, put on top of that. Ooh, my garlic's all flying away. Okay, I got my garlic pre-cut like this. I'm gonna put some garlic, and then I also have garlic that I'm gonna shred later on and put it on top when I mix all the tomatoes and pasta and feta. Just gonna do it my way. I don't follow directions. I just do it the way I want to do it. A little bit of oil, olive oil, and off to the oven. This goes. Pasta is almost ready. So 400 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. My pasta is almost ready. It's been boiling for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to give it 5 more minutes. Looks like it's ready. Okay, my tomatoes and feta are in the oven. And pasta is almost done. Just got to drain it. Just going to pre-cut some basil. I love the way basil smells so good. Fresh basil is just, the smell is phenomenal. Love it. So it's all pre-cut. Pasta's ready. My tomatoes are in the oven and feta. And then I got basil chopped up, garlic ready, spices already put, my coffee's ready. I'm gonna use some of this Irish cream, which I always like my coffee with Irish cream. And voila! To you guys, have a good day. That looks good. I'm just gonna give it another 5 to 10 minutes and take it out. Okay, let's check this out. Looks good. So I guess it's 40 minutes on 400 degrees. Time to get this goodness out. Feta. Looking good. And once again, it was for 400 degrees at 40 minutes. Juicy looks like. I mean, it smells good. I don't know how it's gonna all look with the pasta, but it smells really good. Never tried this before. Something new. Looking good. Just gonna mash that all up and add the pasta in there. Looking good. Smelling good too. Can't wait to try it. Okay, all done. Smash these tomatoes pretty good. I'm gonna put my pasta in there. Okay, let's add pasta. Thought it was not gonna be enough pasta, but from that little bag, it's plenty. Look at that. Plenty, plenty. Mix it all. A lot of pasta now I have. Okay. Let's mix this. Actually, just gonna add the basil as well. So that way, I'm gonna mix it all together. Basil smells good. I mean, this looks good. I know I like it. No wonder it's TikTok famous, because yeah, smells good, looks good, and probably tastes good as well. Can't wait to try it. Like, I have to mix it all first, but it's just like looks so good. I want to try it. Even though I'm not a fan of pasta, I'm not supposed to eat any pasta at all. I try pasta sometimes. This is good. Look at that. Just like amazing. Probably gonna add some garlic. Look at that. Beautiful. Let me give it a try. Wow, delicious. Yeah, I just need some probably garlic in there and that's it. Other than that, it tastes really good. So yeah, famous TikTok pasta is really good when you know what you're doing. Lol. Enjoy. Thank you for watching and subscribe, and for more videos, subscribe. So I'm gonna do this because I love garlic. Love, love, love garlic. Love, love, love garlic. Come on, where did it go? Just gonna get some here. Here. And here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for some more tasty videos. This is definitely tasty. TikTok video, but really tasty. Famous TikTok pasta and okay, and my pasta is ready.
I mean, I did not.
And of course, I made a video about it too. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I tried it already. You guys should do it. This is delicious. It's like, I don't know why I didn't try it earlier, but the famous TikTok video is famous because it's really, really good. Wow, delicious. I love it. You guys should make it.